Hello viewers, today I am telling about how to use Instagram promote button. First of all, we need to go to Instagram. I have a personal account. For promotions, we need to do a professional account. So for that, need to go to edit profile and switch to professional account. Continue, continue. Get new contacts options. You need to choose option of continue. They will ask which would you want, like which profession you are. I was the professional of editor, that's why I was taking editor. It is the option to display on profile. Here you have two options, business and creator. I was choosing the option of creator. Next, okay. So these are the complete steps you need to complete that. After completing this, you need to post a video or picture of another person's. That is called the promotions. I was taking a picture of Naruto. So these are the add music. If you need to tag any people in tag, and these are the get orders title, and this is the price of sharing. It is finishing up.